Have you considered having a transformational relationship? Do you feel the disconnect of late day after day, every day with your spouse or your partner? Do you feel that your boundaries are constantly encroached and breached and you're taken for granted? Do you feel that you cannot have meaningful conversations with your partner and there is no curiosity and excitement left? Then this workshop is for you. Hi, this is Preeti Khare, a transformational relationship coach, and I'm here to invite you to my workshop that is coming up on the 29th of April at 11 a.m. on the Zoom. In this workshop, you will learn how to effectively draw your boundaries so that you are constantly loved, appreciated, trusted, and respected. You will go back with tools in your toolkit that will help you effectively communicate your desires and needs without feeling guilty. You will learn how to have conflict free, meaningful conversations so that you can feel the joy and the excitement every day in your relationship. You will also get to understand all the strategies to take your relationship to the next level. So, are you excited about putting a full stop to the mundane transactional relationship that you're living day after day and rather be thrilled about who you are transforming into every day in this relationship? If you are, register on the link given in the comment section and I will see you on the other side.